Mr. Aditya Ganjapure. He is Vice President Technology in Green Tiger Mobility Pvt Limited. Coming with engineering background, he has around a decade of experience in EV industry. Mr. Aditya, the ex-co-founder of Lithos Motors, has designed and developed various EV two-wheelers from below 250 watts to L2 category. He was honored with Young Entrepreneur Award by Indian Achievers Forum and Government of India during 2019. Today, Mr. Aditya will give us a brief view on challenges in EV industry, current trends and government initiatives. So delegates, let's welcome Mr. Aditya.
So today, as my colleagues already have captured all the points of what are the challenge, how EV industry is growing in today's scenario. So I would like to just elaborate on those points. So today I'm specifically going to talk on challenges of EV industries with respect to customer side as well as industry side, and what are government initiatives to cater to these challenges, and what are the future trends in EVs which are going on. So currently there are, if you say 220 crores existing IC engine vehicles available in the market, and every year 2 crore new IC engine vehicles get sold in comparison to 2 lakhs electric vehicles which are sold every year. So though electric vehicles are trending towards the northward end, but still there is a lot of ground to capture for EVs. And major challenges people face while buying EVs on a consumer side are, first is pricing. Because of the battery pricing, EVs capital cost is high. And second one is lack of charging infrastructure. So right now, India has started growing in a charging infra. Hopefully within few years, we will be able to cater huge amount of EVs. And third is range anxiety, which is a byproduct of, I would say, a lack of charging infrastructure. And fourth one is resale value and servicing. So whenever generally we buy vehicle, we always thought of a resale value and servicing network which we have. So currently EVs as such don't have servicing network, and we don't have any idea of a resale value of the EVs. And the last one is a brand trust. So basically we all have grown from childhood looking at 4 top brands, that is Bajaj, TVS, again Hero and Honda. So it's very difficult for a consumer to adapt to the new brand. He always think that whether it will be a good brand or not. So these are few challenges which currently Indian market has. Eventually it will go down. So to cater to these challenges, government has already come up with a very good policy push and initiatives in terms of FAME policy and PLI scheme. So FAME stands for faster adoption of manufacturing of electric vehicles and hybridization. So government has outlaid 10,000 crores for FAME 2 policy for next 5 years. Similarly, for advanced chemistry cells, the PLI scheme, a production link incentive scheme, is there of around 18,000 crores. That also will be outlaid over the period of next 5 years. And also I'm happy to share that in Green Tiger Mobility, we are also reducing this challenge and reducing the transition from ICE to EV. What we are doing is we are actually developing a kit which we can fit on an existing ICE engine two-wheeler. So with the help of which you can ride the vehicle on IC mode as well as petrol mode as a standby thing. So that range anxiety problem would be solved. So, and we have developed each and everything in-house, starting from controller, BMS, throttle, everything. So I would like to share this thing, and happy to share this thing. And now if we come to the problem which industries has, like EV industries has. So there are, I would say, 2-3 problems which currently EV industry faces. First, if you consider a two-wheeler, most of the vehicle are run on BLDC hub motor, that is brushless DC motors, hub motor, because of its high efficiency and ease of operation. So in that, as a rotor, we use a neodymium magnet. So that neodymium magnet again is a rare earth material which you will only find in major parts of China and some part of Japan. So again, we have to source those magnet to make our motor. Second part, obviously everyone knows about battery. So lithium ion battery, and major problem in lithium ion battery is like lithium is a source where you will find the lithium source is in Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, some part of China, and again America. Though on the graphite side, India is a second largest manufacturer of graphite, but again China is a largest manufacturer of graphite on anode side as well. So it's very difficult to beat the pricing of Chinese market or Korean market for it. So to cater to these problems, most of the people now working on the SRM motors, that is switch reluctance motors, so that the magnet problem would be solved. Again, on battery side, lot of people in India itself was working on a sodium ion batteries as well as hydrogen as a fuel. So in sodium ion batteries, the major problem is its energy density is not as much as lithium ion batteries, but I'm pretty sure eventually it will, after some research and everything, it will match the lithium ion. And obviously sodium is abundant in nature, so it would be easy for India also to manufacture sodium ion batteries, as well as hydrogen also is very abundant in nature. The only problem with hydrogen is it's very expensive to set up its fuel pumps. But hopefully all those problems will solve eventually. And again, the third problem which everyone is facing right now, which no one has a solution till now, is the semiconductor shortage. So India, everybody in the world has a semiconductor shortage right now, and that's because of high demand of automotive sector of semiconductors, and most of the semiconductor industries are putting their resources on making laptop, mobiles, etc. Because of the pandemic, everyone has started doing work from home, so demand of those also increase. So again, this scenario may be neutralized over the period of a year or so. So let's hope for this. And again, on a closing note, I would only say that let's work together for a greener Bharat. So thank you so much.